Welcome to episode 2 of my logo skill upgrade series where I show the difference between beginner and advanced logo design. So let's start with the ellipse tool. To create a leaf, follow the steps as shown on the screen. When I was a beginner, I used to create a leaf as shown on the screen with the help of ellipse tool and a line tool. This logo is for the organic product, so I prefer to create as simple as logo for the premium look and for the printing process. If you are watching this series first time, then episode 1 is already uploaded. Please click the link in the description. Subscribe my channel to follow the series in the upcoming days. So now let's move to the advanced version. I'll create the leaf with the help of ellipse tool and a pen tool. The pen tool will give a nice structure inside the leaf as shown on the screen. This structure can be created with the help of Pathfinder tool. So following these simple steps, you can create a very nice leaf structure. There are little changes in the text also. I have given a letter spacing, character spacing to give a premium look of the text. The character spacing completely change the look of the logo. Repeat procedure till you get the perfect spacing. In the next episode, I will redesign a fitness brand logo and show even bigger and better improvements. Which logo you liked it? Comment me in the comment box. Episode 3 coming soon. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.